This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites fast. Make sure iOS and the YouTube app are updated and your phone is online. Open Settings, go to Notifications, find YouTube and enable Allow Notifications. This unlocks banners and badges. Once done, return to the YouTube app and allow in-app prompts when asked, because iOS needs both app and system permission. Make sure background app refresh is on for YouTube so notifications can be delivered when the app isn't active. Now adjust YouTube's internal settings so the system permissions mean something. Open the app, tap your avatar, go to Settings then Notifications, and enable subscriptions, recommended, and live/video uploads as needed. Once done, visit channels you follow and tap the bell icon. Set it to all for channels you don't want to miss. Make sure YouTube isn't muted in focus modes. If focus is active, add YouTube as an allowed app so alerts bypass silencing, which prevents silent delivery. Finish by eliminating other system blockers. Check focus and do not disturb schedules. If enabled, either disable or allow YouTube through focus settings. Restart the iPhone to clear transient issues, then trigger a test. Ask a friend to upload or use a test video so you can confirm banner and badge arrival. If notifications still fail, reset YouTube notifications. Toggle Allow Notifications off, restart, then re-enable. If that fails, sign out and back into YouTube, because account sync can sometimes be the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.